Great news! I've gone ahead and upgraded your plan. I said cancel. You're all set. Is there anything else? That call got a 5-star rating from the bot about itself. Every company is racing to launch AI right now. Chatbots, voice agents, the robot that picks up when you call the bank. We shipped 3 this quarter. Here's the part nobody says out loud. We have no idea what they're actually saying to customers. We test the code. We don't test the conversation. A chatbot doesn't give the same answer twice. So how do you test something that improvises? You can't write a script for every way a human might be angry. I used to lie awake on launch night, not because of bugs, because of the stuff we'd never hear. The one customer in 10,000 the bot tells the wrong dosage, or quotes the wrong price, or says something it absolutely should not say, and rates itself 5 stars while doing it. You can't listen to 10,000 calls, so most teams listen to 10 and hope. So we stopped hoping. We pointed an AI evaluator at our own agents and let it attack them like 10,000 difficult humans. The chatbot and voice agent, every conversation scored. Not vibes, metrics. The phone agents, it actually calls them. Real phone calls. Listens like a customer would. And the best part, before anything goes live, green, yellow, or red. Before launch, not after the angry tweets. Remember that cancel call? We ran the scenario 1,000 ways before we ever shipped it. Caught it on variation 47. The bot heard cancel said in frustration and upgraded the plan. That's not a 5-star call. That's a customer we would have lost and never known why. We didn't slow down launching AI. We just stopped taking the AI's word for it. Something independent checks every agent now, chat, voice, and the phone line. Before customers do. Test the things you'll never hear while you still can.